Above her, elemental forces stir. By late May, the region experiences the most intense direct sunlight of the year. Heat builds, sucking moisture from the Indian Ocean. A thick rain band forms, sweeping across a vast area from Indochina to the Indian subcontinent. This is the largest seasonal movement of rain on the planet. The monsoon is here. The monsoon is the most dramatic annual weather event to shape the lives of the region's creatures. In Sri Lanka, the monsoon revitalizes the waterways that carve through the cloud forest. Water levels rise. Ponds swell in size.